And then, I finally left Holland for Canada when I was 23. And I had another dream was to build a lumber mill.
Wow.
And and then academically, I was not a success story. I failed grade 3 and I failed grade 7
Mhm.
3 times. And and then they said, "What are we going to do with this guy? Maybe send him to." My parents were beautiful people, but
Mhm.
some people said to them, "Send him to the mentally challenged school." Fortunately, they didn't do that,
Okay.
and so they said we should teach him a trade where he can use his hands.
Mhm.
And my dad was in the lumber business, so they said, "Well, how about?" And my grandfather was a master carpenter, so how about a furniture maker? That's maybe a good trade. So they sent me at 13 to a furniture factory, and then at nights I would go to the college, and I became a furniture maker.
Right.
I
So
loved it. I loved it, and the